Welcome to the final lecture on area charts. We've already honed our skills by creating an area chart based on our car data in different environments. What we haven't discussed so far is, how do we know when an area chart is appropriate? We already discussed that we use area charts to track variables over time, or in other words, when we have time date. However, a timeline alone does not make an area chart. So what else do we require? First, it's important to note that an area chart is appropriate in cases where we'd like to compare the volume among categories. Area charts display quantitative data of 3 or more variables. This means we require at least 3 categories to make an area chart. In our example, they were year, engine fuel type, and number of cars per engine type. In addition, there must be an ordering for at least 2 of the variables, and they must be numerical. Again, in our case, the ordered variables are year and number of cars. And our categories were of an area chart. In this graph, the frequency of Google searches for different languages is plotted for each month of the year 2004. We haven't plotted a stacked area this time, but instead, we have a regular area chart. The colors of the area chart are made transparent. Otherwise, only the first 2 categories would be visible. But no matter what alterations you make to the chart, there's too much going on. We can take a look at the same chart, only this time as a stacked area. Here we observe that on top of the many categories, we have measures of similar size. This is another important aspect to consider. As we've discussed, the human eye cannot discern the exact size of non-rectangular shapes. So if we have categories of similar size to each other, a line chart might be a better option. Line charts. See you there, and thanks for watching.